Dude, bug just flew right in my eye hole.
Eye hole.
First chicken cracker.
You get blushing.
Want to make someone look demonic? Use the Kubrick stare.
Have them gaze slightly upward. Now look down. No. Tilt your head. Tilt the head down and look forward.
We got no car, we got no money.
Dude.
Fuck. Snap time. I'm a Ninja Turtle. Well, Shizza. That's my opener.
It has come to our attention that a mysterious force is loose somewhere in outer space.
The mysteries of creation are there.
Up in the sky?
Up in the sky.
The moon and the planets are there, and new hopes for knowledge and peace are there. And therefore, as we set sail, we ask God's blessing on the most hazardous and dangerous and greatest adventure on which man has ever embarked.
Disaster to evil factors, demonic chapters shall be captured by kings through the storms of days after, and to the earth from the sun through triple darkness to blast you with a force that can't be compared to any firepower. For its mind power shared, the brainwave causes vessels to circulate like constellations reflect at night off the lake. Word to the Father and Mother Earth, seeking everlasting life through this hell for what it's worth. Look, listen, and observe, and watch another sea cycle pulling my peeps to the curb. Heed the words, it's like ghetto-style proverbs. The righteous pay a sacrifice to get what they deserve. Cannot afford to be confined to a cell. Brainwaves swell, turning the desert to a well. Experience the best teacher. Vibes will spray like street sweepers. Little daddy street preacher, illustrious feature. Narrator you select, accompanied by deck plus the DJ you respect. 7.5 combined over the front line. The 10%ers promoting slander in the airtime. Bear in mind, Jews be the tools of the trade. Sharp blades, heavenly praise, and dues are paid. Above the crowds, above the clouds, where the sounds are original. Infinite skills create miracles. Warrior spiritual. Above the clouds, raining down, holding it down.
Yeah, I leave scientists mentally scarred. Triple extra large, wild like rock stars who smash guitars. Poison bars from the guards, bust holes in your mirage. Catch a charge, shake them down like the riot squad. Invade your zone, ruin like ancient Rome. I span the universe and return to earth to claim my throne. The maker, owner, plus soul controller. Ayatollah, rest in the sky, the clouds my sofa. Stand like Colossus, regardless to whom or what. Numerous attempts in my life, so who to trust? Who but us? to supply her with the fire, the burning truth. 150 absolute proof on the mic like Moses spoke in Golden Squad. Survivor of the oldest tribe whose soldiers died. I know the five families who shed tears and mourn, but our hands are on the ammo cause the battle's still on. Sound the horn. We come rumbling through the function. Precise laser beam technique to touch something. When we die hard, they build a monument to honor us with. Humongous effect in the world, we couldn't conquer it.
Above the clouds, where the sounds are original. Infinite skills create miracles. Warrior spiritual. Above the clouds, raining down, holding it down. Above the clouds, where the sounds are original. Infinite skills create miracles. Warrior spiritual. Above the clouds, raining down, holding it down.
That took way too long. I'm so sorry, dude. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, dude. That was so good.
It's okay for music to not be about anything. Fucking Jesus.
How you doing?
Put your mind to it and do it. The fluid's doing better. Stir before it's ruined. Gonna say, ain't no more leaves in the trees. Hood is rape, but I'm baby cause I got it imported where they make it at. I hear the bacon splat. You know we taking that back home. I put the chrome to the front of your dome and say, please stop littering and jittering so much. With a finger I can touch on the trigger like a clutch. Switch gears, ditch gears, that be rolling up a Dutch. Oh, you must be retarded, throwing ketchup in that flavor and savoring it much. I'm behaving like a rapper on a crush. For a favor that I'm favoring. Doing music, your name is Slap Choosing. If you are broke, bruising, that mean you should choose it. And never threes, nigga. Be with my cheese, nigga. You fall from trees that probably forming more peas, nigga. Sometimes I forget that every blunt is different. And every hit I take I should be living in. But I be stressing absent-minded. I keep the rest from finding out where all my cheese is hiding. I keep it wrapped and binding. But then I realize everything has passed me by. And stressing out has left me worried about your last reply. I have the power to and overcome myself. Need find the odds. Bitch, I like a challenge, so I might be finding odds. In another life I'd be a bad bitch, savage. Cooking up some cabbage you can ravage. Nigga, eat up and kick your feet up. Recline your seat cup. Hold a quarter with the ice inside it. I'm enticing, unsurprising. In another life I'd be a big man, sick hand. Puffing on tobacco while I dig mad grapes. Killing shit and filling it with stuffing. Hella rough for nothing but the huffing. Know the pleasant. Eat a pheasant like a peasant king. At the road where we go, you ain't care enough to know. And the plot more than thinking it. Write a story, let it go, that's a mandatory no. Flows, outside and looking in. Or maybe in there looking out. Be a sinner, that's a route, nigga shout, that's a rap. Tell him where to go. Yeah, baby, that's a rap.
Start like this. I wonder. Start like this. I wonder.
Who took the bomb?